comes to your water chemistry, there's three main things you want to be testing for: the free chlorine, the pH, and the alkalinity. To do so, take your simple water sample. Add the chlorine reagent, as well as the pH reagent. Mix it up and take a look at your reading. As you can see here, there's no chlorine at all. Not good, so we'll want to add some chlorine to bring that up to the proper levels. pH within range, a little bit on the high side, but we'll want to add a little bit of muriatic acid to bring that down as well. Ideally, you want your chlorine to be anywhere from about a 1 to 2.0 up to about a 5.0 on the higher side. pH about a 7.4 up to a 7.8. Keep those right where they want to be. Of course, there's many other factors that go into it, but ideally, as a general sense, that's right where you want them to be. When it comes to chlorine, there are many options out there. For decades, we've used liquid chlorine, or bleach as it's called. For the longevity of the pool, it seems to be the best option. Chlorine tablets are an option like this. I don't recommend using a floater in your pool because they can get stuck on the steps or a beach entry and end up bleaching the surface. Like I said, typically I use liquid chlorine, such as this. What you'd simply do, just add it to the water as needed to bring to the proper levels. If you don't have a test kit such as this, they do have at-home strips that you can use where you simply dip it in, gives you a full reading of all your chemicals. Again, if you don't have that, you can always take a water sample to your local pool supply store and they'll be happy to test it for you. Make sure everything's looking good. So in conclusion, you'll want to make sure those big three things are always on point. You want to check the filtration of your pool, the circulation of your pool, and the water chemistry. You got to keep your chemistry in line, make sure your pool is circulating enough hours per day, and your filter is always clean enough to filter out all that harmful bacteria. My name again, Aiden Dunn, the owner of Classic Pools and Spas here in North County, San Diego. I hope you have a great summer swimming in your crystal clear pool.